Sulfonation. Aromatic compounds on treatment with concentrated sulfuric acid or fuming sulfuric acid undergo sulfonation, giving benzene sulfonic acid. The active electrophile in sulfonation reaction is sulfur trioxide, that is SO3, which is present in concentrated sulfuric acid as a result of equilibrium. Sulfonation can also take place in presence of a solution of SO3 in H2SO4, that is oleum. Although sulfur trioxide has no positive charge, it is a strong electrophile. This is because the acted electron around the sulfur atom of SO3 is incomplete. During electrophilic substitution, the aromatic ring forms a bond with sulfur of sulfur trioxide, and one of the pi bonds between sulfur and oxygen is broken. Now we discuss about mechanism of sulfonation reaction. In step 1 is a generation of electrophile, that is a sulfur trioxide, by the spontaneous dissociation of the electrophilic reagent of fuming sulfuric acid, that is 2H2SO4 gives SO3 plus HSO4 minus, that is bisulfate anion plus hydronium ion. In step 2, although SO3 is a neutral molecule, its sulfur atom carries a positive charge due to resonance of the molecule. Therefore, SO3 acts as an electrophile. The electrophile attacks the electron-rich benzene nucleus to form a sigma complex, that is a valent intermediate. This intermediate is stabilized by the resonance. In step 3, a proton is eliminated from the sigma complex to give an anion of benzene sulfonic acid. It is a strong acid and highly dissociated. In step 4, the anion of benzene sulfonic acid is protonated to give benzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonation is a reversible process, especially at a high temperature. This is very important point. Now we discuss about some more examples of sulfonation. First one is benzene reacting with oleum, that is SO3 in sulfuric acid, to form benzene metadisulfonic acid. Then second one is aniline react with sulfuric acid to give a salt of sulfonic acid, that is sulfonilic acid. Then naphthalene combined with corn sulfuric acid at a different temperature, that is low temperature and high temperature, to form two different products, that is naphthalene combined with sulfuric acid at 25 degrees Celsius to form 1 naphthalene sulfonic acid, whereas in naphthalene combined with the same concentrated sulfuric acid at high temperature, that is 160 degrees Celsius, to form 2 naphthalene sulfonic acid. Therefore, the temperature is very important role in sulfonation reaction. Thank you, friends.